Chanel bag 2.55 classic, timeless, classic leather handbag, black. An authentic Chanel bag 2.55 classic double flap silver chain shoulder bag black made of black lambskin. The color is black, the outside material is leather. The pattern is solid. This item is vintage, classic, very good condition. Details: designer, Chanel, model, timeless, classic, condition, very good condition. More info: material, leather, color, black, style vintage, location Japan. From the seller Hana Uri, price $5,343.